Now for leg packs, this is a very, very nice leg pack, this. Very nice bath as well. I've been under cosh this morning because when I got here nothing had been done. So there were Mark and Lee here all day yesterday, no got done. So Lee's gone home this morning. It's pointless in being here if they're not able to do all. Do you know what I mean? It's just no point. I just don't see point in it. So I put myself under a bit of pressure, but it is what it is. So you get your leg pack. Quite a good leg pack this. Always, I mean read the instructions, but this is what I do. About 100mm from end, that's where you're going to be standing on. Bang them in. Put a bit of silicone on it first.